Hello, beautiful being. Happy almost Thanksgiving. I wanted to take a moment to make you this video to offer you different tips and strategies for allowing yourself to stay in your center, to stay rooted and grounded and supported and nourished during this holiday season. I also wanted to make sure that you are aware that in Young Living's traditional, huge-hearted, abundant, generous spirit, they're offering this week from today, November 22nd, Monday, all the way through Sunday, November 28th, a whole week of deals. So instead of just Black Friday, they're offering amazing discounts in a lot of different product lines within their company from today all the way through next Sunday. So I'm going to share with you just a couple tips and strategies for staying grounded, feeling rooted, and then give you some details about those amazing savings. So first and foremost, in staying grounded, centered in your own body, in your own heart, I highly recommend Valor Essential Oil. It's such a wonderful tuning fork frequency to just help yourself root. Applying it to the ears, the wrists, the back of the neck. The earlobes are a wonderful place for emotional receptors. And the second oil I'm going to reach for is one that comes with a little teaching, which is gratitude oil. Right, so many of my teachers over the years, both through my study of essential oils, but also in my yoga study, is the way that gratitude can be such a powerful antidote to other emotions moving through the body. When I find myself in a place of yearning or wanting things to be different than they are, or feeling out of control of what is going on around me, to pause and change the channel to focus on gratitude. What can I appreciate about this moment? So gratitude essential oil is a beautiful oil to be working with this time of year. I like to put it all over my heart. I like to keep it in my pocket this time of year, not just for the enjoyment of the kind of earthy aroma of this oil, but also as a reminder to my mind that I get to choose where I rest my thoughts. So I invite you to reach for gratitude whenever you're feeling wobbly at your center. When it comes to emotional support and staying grounded, I want to share with you just a handful more of my favorite blends. Joy, the frequency of self-love, inner child. Not only to bring out that inner buoyancy, but also to help release perhaps things from childhood that would be better served released. Acceptance. I like to put it in my belly button. I often like to partner acceptance with surrender oil. Belly button can be a really cool place to put emotional oils. Bergamot. Yeah, I've told you before, go big on citruses. They're sunshine in a bottle. I love to use them a lot during the winter, and bergamot is particularly potent in the fall season. Fall season so appropriate for allowing grief to move through, and just like the trees out here in the East Coast have so beautifully demonstrated, letting go. And when we let go what no longer serves, there's room for more stuff to come in. So I like to work a lot with Dreamcatcher. This is such an incredible blend. Dreamcatcher and abundance, right? As you release what no longer serves, we can call in bounty, dreams, and abundance for the future. And then, of course, this time of year, thieves, 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 especially if you're planning to be around more people this holiday season. Thieves is a great way to just keep your immune system strong. Put it on the soles of your feet, your wrists, put it in a hot cup of water, drink it like tea. And if your physical body is feeling tender, perhaps from lots of raking or preparing for the colder weather, these are my two favorites to support my physical body this time of year. Coolazool Pain Relief Cream. Perfect name. I cannot brag about how powerful and effective this is. And Deep Relief is a gorgeous roll-on that I love to just roll on my low back, my knees, my hips, whatever part of my body really needs it. Another way to really keep the emotional body and physical body strong during this time of year, I go big with Super B and Super D. Super B for me is just an emotional boon, and Super D, right, we get our vitamin D from the sunshine in these shorter days where we have less sun. Go big on getting your vitamin D from the bottle. And then inner defense, of course, inner defense. Love to keep the immune system strong. In the name of skin and hydration, when I feel more freedom in my skin, I feel happier. I love the lip balm. Most delicious. Lavender is my favorite flavor, but they've got several others. And this is one of my new favorite face care. They're CBD Beauty Boost. It's a 600 milligram CBD. I put a couple drops in my hands and just rub it over my face. It's beautifully hydrating. I feel like it makes my cheeks a little bit more rosy and bright. For my dry skin, I love to use the Winter Nights hand cream. And I also really love their massage oils. I'm into their Cell Light Magic right now. I keep this in my shower. This has a lot of citruses in it. And just when I finish my shower, my skin is still wet, I'll put a couple different rounds of this massage oil and just rub it all over the body. They have Cell Light Magic, which is great for renewing and vibrant looking skin. They also have a couple different massage oils that are more focused to supporting physical body, if you have tenderness, and things like that. Last shout out to Thieves cough drops. Love, love, love. I go big on these all through the season. All right, love, I hope that those tips will help you feel nourished and supported and grounded during this season. And as for details about Black Friday, it's really amazing. So again, starting today all the way through Sunday, they have 30 different essential oils and oil blends at 30% off. They're offering 25% off of a whole bunch of different kits and collections. Those are all their kits and collections are already discounted, so this is like discount on top of discount. 25% off of their CBD products and 20% off of roll-ons and supplements. All of these are select in those different categories. Don't miss it, don't miss it. And the last thing I want to say about your holiday shopping is I think, at least for me, more than ever, when the world is changing so much, it matters so much to me about where I'm putting my money and what companies are doing with the money that I'm spending. Young Living has stood in its integrity since the day it was founded, almost 30 years ago now. And their commitment is one of stewardship to the planet and of giving back to humanity. So not only when you buy your products from Young Living are you supporting me and my business, and for that I give you so much thanks, but your money is also going to support a huge vision of giving back to this beautiful planet and giving back to humanity. If you are someone who likes to donate during the holiday season, the Young Living Foundation gives 100% of its proceeds to on-the-ground projects where Young Living has partnered with grassroots organizations in almost every country where we grow our plants for our oils. So if you are looking for a place to give that will give back to thousands of beings, please consider the Young Living Foundation. And I thank you so much for taking care of yourself in these times of great challenge and turbulence. I truly believe the more that we can do for ourselves to keep our wells full, our spirits light, the more we can bring that and share that with the world. So thank you for you. Thank you for your light. Many blessings on the holiday, and I hope to see you soon.